So we noticed that the tomatoes this season have not done very well. The sales have also been low. Despite the tomatoes being there, the size has been depressing. Yeah, so these are just being sold locally from the farm. I have still big ones further up that can go to the market, but the prices have also been very low, which is depressing. Notice that the locals were asking for greens, which is what we did. We put down some spinach and some kale. And so far, it's barely 3 weeks. And the rains, the short rains that have been there, they have been coming up. You can see they've grown big. They're quite big. That is what we're transplanting to the rows across. Hopefully our fortunes will change. Yeah? I just to the orange trees. I noticed some are flowering. And I noticed this one. This is the first small watermelon I'm seeing in my garden. What a joy. So for now, I just try and take care of them. After planting, nothing much was done. It's just been rain, but now we are beginning the spray process. You can see how our oranges are doing. The smaller trees. Noting the oranges which were very small. Well, the sizes have started improving. So, size of our oranges really fortunes are turning. Okay, onions as well. The onions have really picked up. Which are not still to be harvested. We had sprayed them last week on Saturday. So this one should be harvested by tomorrow. These are Tylka tomatoes. So for these plants, I expect them to continue growing and growing for a while, up to maybe February. The Rio Grandes, some of them are dying out. The season is coming to an end. So we are hoping as they are going out, we'll just remove. And then we'll regrow some more. On block 3 and 4, we were hoping that they'll be sprouting up by now. So some of them are still coming up. They're becoming bigger and bigger. Also planted some butternut. I put the seeds to where water was dripping. This is one of them. Very well. You can see it's even branching out from the graft. So anything below the graft is a lemon that needs to be removed. Nothing to sprout there. Let the sprouts come out as it flowers. Then you wait and see what kind of fruit will come out of it. ones that we planted. This is good. Along this line there are several picking out, quite big as well. There's good food in this farm.